Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel the Bluehost subscription. I already did that, so you can see that they already write me that it expires soon and I need to renew it before. But basically, to access that subscription, you need to go. There are a few ways where you can. There are a few places you can go, but basically, when you click on your profile right there, you can click on Renewal Center right there. And after that, you will see that you have your payment method there, a renewal date, and your products and services. When you click on it, as you can see, you can what you can do. So you can disable auto renew, which is actually now it's turned off for me. I have turned off my renewal, and that's how you do this. Basically, that's how you cancel your renewal. There's also a way that you can contact. You can actually contact the customer support for this, and again, you can turn off the auto renewal right there for hosting, or you can just basically go ahead and chat with their customer support. So, and ask them to cancel it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.